So we have another listing, guys, no. This is for sale by 1 year. So it's a portion. So meaning 1 year, they are siblings, then divided their share. Then one share is for sale. Uh, they just only estimated at 1,000 square meters. At 1,500 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Cambinucot, Cebu City. So still, it's a very good place, guys. Although it's tax declaration, but you can have a good farming here. So ang nasa loob ng lupa ay mga bamboos, kawayan, tatlong tatlong coconut trees. So hanggang dyan lang. It's along concrete road, guys. It's really along concrete road. So 1,500 per square meter. So negotiable pa. So pwede pa ma-negotiate. So yan po ang mga presyuhan talaga. Medyo malapit na to. Hindi katulad kanina doon sa medyo malayo. So ito po yung sitwasyon ng lupa, downhill siya. So pababa. Nandun siya pababa. Ayun, kita natin yung mga coconut, no. I think it's only 3 coconut trees, then several banana trees. There are banana trees. Then dalawang mango trees. So maganda na to, guys, for small farming. So you can have your own residential and farming. So may residential ka na bahay dyan, at saka magtanim ka ng mga vegetables. So it's really a good place, no. So water, there's no problem with water, no. There are so many, no. Kasi may mga water dyan, no. Marami naman. So pwede kayo magtanim ng mga gulay, mga gustuhin mo. It's very handy. Ma-manage mo lang kasi maliit lang yung lupa. So maganda to, guys. It's really a good investment. Yan. Nandyan ka sa city, tapos pag Saturday and Sunday, nandito ka sa mountain barangay. Marami naman nakatira dyan, no. So marami nang lumilipat sa mountain area, Maginaw, cold place. So it's really a good place, no. So maraming bamboo trees, guys. Pwede mo yan putulin lahat. Putulin mo yan lahat. I-convert mo yan into farming. So okay na yan. Kahit yung mga mango trees, kung gusto mo, ay putulin mo na rin para magamit mo yung lahat lupa, no? Kasi medyo limited lang 1,000 square meters lang or 1,000 plus. So unang gawin natin dito is survey talaga para maklaro natin kung saan ang boundary. Initially may boundary naman, pero kailangan talaga kung malaman hanggang saan saan ang dulo. Okay? So very nice. Pwede kayo rin dito kung mahilig ka sa mga manok. So pwede dito, guys, maganda sa mga manok. Or simple person, may sarili kang mga dito, manukan or mga backyard farming, parang tinatawag natin backyard farming. Okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. By the way, guys, ang transportation natin, kailangan talaga natin ng sariling sasakyan or motorcycle. So yun po. Again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy New Year. Bye.